The light goes on. Get it, mama. Hey, 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 hey. Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm using my new ring light brought to you by my sister and manager. Hair looks crazy, but you guys love me anyway. I wanted to talk to you guys because today I played around with my power washer that I got from Home Depot. If you guys don't know me, I am obsessed with doing things myself. I like working with my hands. I made my own bedroom set. Come on, I know my resume is longer than this. I made my own bedroom set. I was a mechanic on my car for a little while. I like to do little do-it-yourself things. So I decided to play around with the power washer. It's something I've been wanting to do for a really long time, and I just got approved for a Home Depot credit card. So I was super elated, and I went and I spent as much money on fun things as I could. So enjoy. Okay, so we are on our way to Home Depot. Welcome to the best place on earth. Okay, now we are in the best place on earth. We're in the shelving aisle. So we got some of the things that we came here for, and we're gonna take it home now. You still rapping? No. Okay, so now we are at the second most amazing place on earth, Chick-fil-A, as a reward for ourselves for all the hard work that we're going to do. Yeah. No, Home Depot was hard work though, right? Yeah. And then this is after. You can see the color difference because we missed a few spots right there. I'm gonna go back over it. But I had to get a different attachment because I want to do all of this in our driveway. So this is our pressure washer, and then this is the attachment that I got to do the driveway. It's Roy B, the same brand. And this just covers a lot more surface area, and then you can avoid streaks using this. So this car has been sitting here for a while, and this is what it looks like. You can see the pollen buildup. Oops, sorry. You can see the pollen buildup and all the gunk. Using the yellow-orange nozzle because the black and the blue are for heavy duty, and then obviously the other ones for the paint. Don't like that. So I'm about 3/4 of the way done, and I'm excited. Okay, so my phone died while I was recording, so I'm not sure how much I actually got on the video, so I'm gonna have to check that later. But I was singing Boogie Wonderland as I was washing the car, and I didn't know that my power washer wasn't that loud, so I was singing my lungs out, and the guy across the street was like, "You sound good," and so now I'm embarrassed, and I had to hide in the house for a little bit to mask my shame. So let's just go ahead and see how the card looks, and we'll do a before and after video. And this is the finished results. Just a girl who loves Home Depot and all things do it yourself. I think it came out pretty well. Yeah, I think so. So this is a power washer I was using. This is the Roy B. It comes with different attachments. This is the orange nozzle that is for just regular washing things. These two, the black and the blue, are the more high power. And then the other one you saw was for the pavement. So here we are, pavement. Waiting for it to dry so we can get an accurate view of what it looks like, but those are the steps, and I think I did a good job. I really like the lighting from here. I think it looks really nice. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. There's going to be a lot more of these because I am addicted to Home Depot and I'm having fun right now. Alright, see you guys next time. So now that the driveway has dried up, this is what we have. Did it make a difference? Did it just make me feel good? Either way, I got to use my power washer.